If the Cash Giraffe Rewards Center won't load, the problem is usually related to connectivity, app synchronization, or a temporary service issue rather than your rewards being permanently lost. By the end, you'll know the most effective troubleshooting steps and when it's time to contact support instead of repeatedly refreshing the app. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Open a website or another app to confirm your phone is online. If your connection keeps dropping or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, the Rewards Center may fail to load correctly. Once your connection is stable, completely close Cash Giraffe and open it again. Next, make sure you're running the latest version of Cash Giraffe. Open your device's official app store and check for updates. New releases often include fixes for loading problems, compatibility issues, and server communication errors that can affect the Rewards Center. If the app is already updated, sign out and back in only if the app provides an official sign-out option. This can refresh your account session without creating a new account or affecting your existing rewards. Another useful step is giving the app a few minutes before trying again. If Cash Giraffe is performing maintenance or experiencing temporary server delays, repeatedly reopening the Rewards Center usually won't make it load faster. Waiting a short time and trying again later is often more effective than constant retries. You should also restart your device if the problem continues. A fresh restart clears temporary system processes that may interfere with the app loading correctly. One common mistake is uninstalling the app immediately after the Rewards Center fails to open. Reinstalling rarely fixes temporary server problems and may require you to sign back into your account afterward. Another mistake is assuming your earned rewards have disappeared just because the Rewards Center isn't displaying. In many cases, the issue is with the page loading rather than the reward data itself. If the Rewards Center still doesn't load after updating the app, confirming your connection, restarting your device and waiting for a while, contact Cash Giraffe support through the official help or support section. Include your device model, app version, and screenshots of the loading issue so the support team can investigate more quickly. The biggest takeaway is that most Rewards Center loading problems are temporary and can be resolved by checking your connection, updating the app, restarting your device, and allowing time for account synchronization. If this guide helped you fix the Cash Giraffe Rewards Center loading problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe tutorials, reward app tips, and troubleshooting guides.